Whoa.
Look at that.
It's gonna be awesome.
Take my boot off.
Poor cat.
Hold on. It's a
From the
zipper.
bottom. No, from the bottom. There we go. Thank you.
Barbie! Show it to Mama.
Thanks, Joe.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Wow, so pretty.
It's Carrie's turn.
What
Here, what do you say?
do you say, Kira?
Thank you.
Okay, now wait your turn.
Thank you who? She gets the benefit of her sister's birthday.
Kalia. She's like, hey, what's this?
All right, bring her down.
Bring it down. Close your eyes.
Fit that in your cruiser.
It'll fit.
Strap it to the top.
Yeah.
Joe, get out of the way. Get out of
Strap
the way.
Andrew to the top.
Step of change, step of change. Word.
You guys got her blindfolded or something?
We got her.
Oh, ready?
2, 3.
Hey, surprise!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
What do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it?
Grandpa was gonna move into it, but it's a little small.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Excuse me.
Just, here, come on. Come here. Look inside.
This thing's as tall as you are.
And Liam and Achilles inside it. Kira, down here. My head's stuck. Let's go get the furniture. Oh,
What do you think,
Kira? A Barbie bed. Kira, what do you think? Tell Mommy what you think. What do you think? I love it.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, you're very welcome. Look at that.
And watch.
Kalia.
Put my finger in the way there, huh?
Woo!
The refrigerator.
Want to see the bed?
Kira.
Wow, that's so
A
cute.
bed.
That's what I was waiting for. What are you looking for, buddy?
It's good thing you got new dolls. And a bunch of dolls.
Park your car in there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Cute.
I need my Barbies. Okay. You want to play Barbies now? What? No, I got them. Get the Barbies. Let's play some Barbies, Kira.